A devastating house fire in Spanish Town in Catherine on Saturday claimed the life of an elderly woman. Residents and relatives have been left reeling from the loss. Details in this report.
Charred rubble left behind tell the tale of the fire that swept through this three-bedroom dwelling on Corliss Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Saturday. The St. Catherine Fire Brigade received the distress call about the blaze about 12:36 in the afternoon.
The team immediately got into operation to attack the blaze and also request assistance from Spanish Town. After fighting the fire for a few minutes, it was brought under control.
94-year-old Oganese Taylor perished in the fire. Her body was discovered in one of the bedrooms. A witness who watched as the devastating scene unfolded was left feeling helpless, saying there was little she could have done to assist in the emergency.
Me hear somebody say fire, and when they say fire, I see the smoke and the sky, I run come up here, and when me run come, me drop a gun right there, so, and then me call the police them, and then send the fire brigade come. Hear the woman bawling at the house, but we couldn't help her, not tell no lie. Would I want to save her, but we couldn't save her.
Miss Taylor will be missed.
I want nice old woman always give me hockey, and we can sit down and talk to her, and she will talk to it. She not seen her, so then can't say she like no fire, like them I tell her.
Me know her 39 years. I'm more than that, but me help look after her, because right now, me go buy fish and a cook. So me go give her dinner. And when me look at the fire brigade, me hear a boom, boom, boom and stop. And when me look out, me see a crowd, they say, me still are dead.
The investigation into the incident is ongoing. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.